So hello my friends, this is my YouTube channel, this is Learning with Ganesh, and today I am going to share you some very important things, especially for the school going students, for GK purpose, for their general knowledge, for the sake of general knowledge. So please watch this video, because today we are just discussing about some few cities of India which are famous by its nicknames. So they have their own nicknames. That particular city is very famous for their nicknames. See, first, this is a city which is also known as Pink City, isn't it? I think every student going students know this. Which city of India is known as Pink City of India? Now see, have the glance of that city and try to answer it. And just I'm giving you one hint. This is in the state of Rajasthan. So one place is a very famous place in Rajasthan, which is also known as Pink City, and that city name is, yes, Jaipur. So Jaipur is also known as Pink City of India. Now pink is a color, so we have one more color city, that is Blue City. Blue City. Have the glance of that city. This city is also got its one more nickname, that is Sun City. I think, can you guess that? Which city is known as Blue City? So the previous one is Jaipur, it is in Rajasthan. So this is also, it is in Rajasthan. So which place of Rajasthan is also known as Blue City or Sun City? Now can you guess that? Have the glance, have the views, and guess that picture. Which place is that? That is Jodhpur. So Jodhpur is known as Blue City of India. Now I think this is also a very famous place, Diamond City of India. So which city of India is also got its nickname Diamond City of India? That is in Gujarat. That is in Gujarat. I think you can guess this. See the place, various place. It is Surat. It's a very famous place in Gujarat. So Surat is known as its Diamond City. Now come to the another very famous name, Orange City. Now tell me which city. I think you all are guessing, probably. Your guessing is maybe 100% right, because संतरा, इंडिया में संतरा के लिए एक ही शहर फेमस है, and the clue is it is in Maharashtra. Which city in Maharashtra especially got its nickname Orange City? It's famous for its Orange City. Now can you tell me which place? That is Nagpur. So Nagpur is also known as Orange City. Now we have one more, Banana City. Now can you tell me which city? I think I'm giving you a guess. It is also in Maharashtra. As Nagpur is in Maharashtra, you know one more thing, Nagpur basically, according to the railways, it is the center of the India. Center of the India. Means if you take the map, actually it is Wardha, but Wardha, Nagpur is nearby famous places. Nagpur, it's a big town, so that is where Nagpur is declared as the center of India. Now can you guess this another name? That is in Maharashtra. It is known as the Banana City. Kela is very much famous for Kela. Now tell me which place in Maharashtra is known as Banana City. It is Jalgaon. So Jalgaon is known as the Banana City. Now, Golden City, not Golden Temple, it is Golden City. So which place is very famous for its nickname Golden City. So which city is called Golden City of India? Have the glance of these pictures. I think you can get some guessing by this. So first two things I have given you from the Rajasthan. I think this is also a very famous place in Rajasthan. Now tell me which place in Rajasthan is also known as the Golden City of India. That is Jaisalmer. So Jaisalmer, it is in Rajasthan. It's very, very, very famous by its nickname Golden City. Now Golden City, gold. So we have got one more ornamental name, Silver City. Now can you tell me, can you guess me which city it is got its nickname Silver City of India? Now can you tell me Silver City? See the picture. I think it belongs to the state of Odisha. Now can you tell me which place, which is the place? I think you can guess, have the various glance of that place. It is none other than Cuttack. So Cuttack is also called a Silver City of India. Now come to the another point, Temple City. Temple City. So which place in India is also got its nickname Temple City of India? Now tell me which place is called Temple City of India. The previous one I have given you from Odisha, so this is also from Odisha. See, various views of that places. I think if you have visited that place, I think some of the pictures you can guess that yes, it is nothing, it is none other than Bhubaneswar. The capital city of Odisha is called as its Temple City. Now, I think you can guess this. Many of you may know this. Sandalwood City of India. Sandalwood. It's very, very, very famous. Sandalwood. Can you guess this place? So which place in India is called the Sandalwood? It is in Karnataka. Karnataka. It's very, 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 very famous. Now tell me which place? It is Mysore. So Mysore is also known as Sandalwood of India. Now come to the another this Silk City of India. Silk City. Silk is very much famous for its silk, what we call pattu saris of that particular place is not only it's famous in India but worldwide famous, that pattu sari, pattu. Now can you tell me? I'm just giving you hint. Previously it is in Andhra Pradesh, but now the Andhra Pradesh is divided into two parts. So that particular place went to Telangana. So it belongs to Telangana state. Now tell me which place of Telangana is also known as Pattu, or what you call Silk City of India. That is Pochampalli. Pochampalli. So as we have silk, we have one more material name, that is Leather City of India. Leather. I think you can guess this answer. Leather shoes and chappals. You see what is that place? It's very, very famous place. I'm giving you one more hint. See the glance of that city. It is in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Now can you guess which place of Uttar Pradesh is also got its nickname the Leather City of India? It is Kanpur. Kanpur. You see, my dear students, whatever nicknames I am giving you, just note it down in the copies so that it will help you in the further, either in some classes or any competitive classes, in GK classes, you may be asked these particular questions. So it will be better for every student. So note it down. City's name and the nicknames. You just make a 2 column, cities names and nicknames, or your nicknames or cities names. Okay, so the leather city of India is Kanpur. Now, Deccan Queen Rani, Deccan Queen, which place? I'm giving you a hint, this is Maharashtra. It's a beautiful, well-planned city, Maharashtra. If you want to go Lonavala, you have to go from there. If you want to go Mahabaleshwar, if you want to go Khandala, so that is the central place from where you can go to the, or is a well-planned city in Maharashtra. Which place of Maharashtra is also known as Deccan Queen? Have the glance of various pics of that particular place. Name this place, and this place is Pune. Pune is got its name, Deccan Queen. So the another city, I think most of you can answer. This is also called as Silicon City, Space City. Now can you tell me one more name? It's very famous, Garden City. Garden City. We have Brindavan Garden. See, many hints I have given you, and it is particularly in the state of Karnataka. So which place is called the Silicon City, Space City, Garden City? It's a hub of many educational centers, fashionable centers. Most of means it's very famous place. Now can you tell me which place in Karnataka is known as Garden City of India? See, have a glance of various pics of that particular place. How beautiful places it is. It is Bengaluru. So Bengaluru, its capital of Karnataka, is also known as Space City. Now we'll just nearby to the Karnataka, in Karnataka, nearby to that place, we have one more place, Scotland. It's so famous worldwide. So in India, there is a place which is also known as Scotland of India. Can you tell me which place is called? It's a beautiful natural scene. It is, I think you can guess, it is on the way to the highway. If you go from Mysore to Mangalore, Mangalore to Mysore, if you go by roadway, you will have this place. Now, can you tell me which place of India is known as Scotland of India? Scotland. It is none other than Coorg. Coorg is so beautiful, natured, decorated, is a nature blessed city that is called Coorg. So Coorg is called the Scotland of India. I think one more very famous nickname, City of Joy. City of Joy. So which place in India is known as City of Joy? I think if I'll show you one picture, definitely 100 out of 100 students will answer this. That place is nothing because it is one of the, what you call, wonder of the world. I think you can guess this. It's a Howrah Bridge. And where is Howrah Bridge? It is in Kolkata. So obviously Kolkata is known as City of Joy. Now, you know, Steel City. Which place in India is called Steel City? Obviously the students of Jamshedpur, all the Jamshedpurians can answer this. Yes, Steel City is nothing but our Jamshedpur, called our Tata Nagar, Jamshedpur. We have Tisco, Tata and Iron. The founder is Tata, Jamshedji Ratnanwanji Tata. So this is called a Steel City. But you know Pittsburgh? Pittsburgh is a very famous place in America, Pennsylvania. In Pennsylvania, you have a very famous place, Pittsburgh, and there is a big university also, University of Pittsburgh. That Pittsburgh of India, in India, which place is known as Pittsburgh of India? Just definitely, surely we are discussing about the Jamshedpur, so no more timing to give you the answer. So Jamshedpur is also known as Pittsburgh of India. Now, Twin City. We have many twin cities, but this particular twin city is worldwide famous because these both cities are well populated cities. They are just equal, not equivalent to what they are, metropolitan cities. Now this twin city, so which cities of India is known as twin cities? Almost all third cities also nearby situated, but they are worldwide famous as twin cities. Now it is in Telangana, means we can discuss as Andhra Pradesh. Now which city in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana is known as twin cities? So we have two cities, one is Hyderabad and second one is Secunderabad, and third is situated is Cyberabad also. It is very costly area in Secunderabad. It is also known as Cyberabad. So twin cities, obviously they are famous from the long before. They are Hyderabad and Secunderabad. These are the two twin cities of India. Now, as we have Pittsburgh, as we have Scotland, so one more country name we got in India, that is beautiful city, that is Switzerland. Now my question is, which place of India is also known as Switzerland of India? Can you tell me which place is called Switzerland of India? I will give you one more hit. As we have Banana City, as we have Orange City, similarly we have Apple City. Apple, they are very famous for apples. I think this time you can guess this. It is none other than Kashmir. So Kashmir, it is in Jammu and Kashmir, in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So this place is very famous as a Switzerland of India. Now the last one, it is also one more famous place all over the world, that is Manchester. Oh, we have discussed about the Pittsburgh, Switzerland, Scotland. Now here Manchester. Manchester is also a beautiful city. Now tell me, in India, which city is known as Manchester of India? Manchester of India. And you know, India Manchester. So in India, it is world's first heritage city of India. So which place in India is world's first heritage place of India? Heritage city. Now can you tell me which is a heritage city? It's also known as Manchester of India. Now tell me in which place. I think I am giving you the hint. These are all the views of that particular place situated in the state of Gujarat. Gujarat. So this place, particular place is called Manchester, India ka first world's heritage city. This is none other than Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad is the famous, I think it's a capital also of that particular state. So गुजरात में अहमदाबाद सिटी को हम कहते हैं मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. दैट इज़ द वर्ल्ड्स का पहला हेरिटेज सिटी है. So like this we can discuss, so many nicknames are there in India, but I have given you a few of the cities. I think you can note it down. One more time you revise it and keep it in mind, because they have their nicknames. They are known by its nicknames. So that's all in this video. Please watch my video, subscribe my video and share my video. So that's all in this today's video. In the another video we'll discuss with some another interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.